Hello Pythonistas. Today we will be seeing the last program under basic data types, that is tuples. So here, given an integer n and n spaced separated integers as input, create a tuple t with those n integers. Then compute and print the value of hash of t. They have already said we can just write hash of t, so no need to worry what is this hash and all. So we are having a list of integers here with the help of integer list is equal to mapping it to integers. So our first task is to convert this list of integers into tuple. So to convert something into a tuple, we are going to prefix it with tuple, and then inside that we will pass the thing which which we need to convert it into tuple. So here it is integer list. So this will convert this particular integer list into a tuple, and then we need to print hash of t. So hash of t. That's it, friends. I think it is very easy to run and see the code because it is a very simple program. So only I have made it as the last one. Yeah, it has shown the output for us. We can just submit the code. Yes, all the two test cases are working fine. That's it for today. Bye bye.